Energy is essential for all life and all processes that occur across the entire universe. On Earth, the sun is the ultimate source of all energy that is available and used by people, animals, plants, and microorganisms. Large amount of energy is consumed in agriculture and industry. In offices, we use energy to run air conditioners, fans, lights, computers, copying machines, etc. Hello, welcome to the channel and make sure to subscribe for more content. Guaranteeing security of supply is a particularly difficult task to achieve in a multilevel system such as the EU. On the one hand, the level of both physical and regulatory integration of member states' energy systems means that a security of supply shock in one member state is bound to have knock-on effects on other member states. This seems to make legal and institutional arrangements at the European level for the guarantee of such security an imperative. In the field of energy, Europe will be confronted with various risks in the coming years. Most notably, there is no clear alternative to fossil energy on a large scale with the possible exception of nuclear energy, yet few countries are able to pay for the large investment required by nuclear industry. The need to ensure greater energy security and better regulation of energy supplies will turn energy policy into a much more politicized issue. Energy, already an important security concern, will continue to shape future military and political relations, especially if there is no other than oil and gas to satiate growing demand. Many energy security issues in Europe take a strong east-west slant for geographic reasons. Russia is close to Europe, it possesses huge oil and gas reserves, and it is a natural energy supplier for the European Union.